Oh, in my previous video, I showed a couple Lego kits hanging on the wall. And on my right shoulder, although on the screen it probably looks like my left shoulder. Here, let me go like this. Cluck like a chicken on your videos. It'll really increase your sales big time. Because people, when you do this and break dance on your videos, oh, it increases people's melatonin, serotonin, and something else, and they just want to like take action and join Live Good and buy protein powder. But first you got to do like this. And wear a Kiss t-shirt from Walmart. 10 bucks or 15 bucks. I can't remember. But you know what? What a smoking deal. Because if you go to a Kiss concert, which they're wrapping it up in December, right on my birthday, these shirts are probably 80 bucks. But 10 to 15 at Walmart. And they're good quality too. Am I the only guy that doesn't promote Live Good on his Live Good videos? Because I'm promoting Lego kits, Wonder Woman dolls, which is right here. Look at right by my cheek. That's Wonder Woman in a Kiss t-shirt. I'm in a Kiss t-shirt. So why isn't Gal Gadot? Doesn't she want to hang out with me? Some guy that promotes Live Good in Kiss t-shirts that has a whole bunch of Lego kits hanging in the background. To answer one more question, that is a Kiss lava lamp. I think you guys can tell it's a whole bunch. That's 275 Hot Wheels. And I do buy these. You can buy them on Amazon. See, there's like a rail. And then they have like these little black buttons. And you can hang all these Hot Wheels. And by the time you're all done, there's 270 something. Just count how many wide. This is almost like the Matrix. I want to go, join Live Good. And with the 2x15 Matrix, you can make 2 times 2 times 4 times 8 times 16. Or just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then go down about 20. So 8 wide down by 20. How much is that? That's like a matrix. So I have my own matrix going on. Except this matrix costs me money. It doesn't make me money like Live Good. But yes, Live Good is a 2x15 matrix. Look it up. It's real simple. All it means is if you go ahead and sign up underneath me and let's say your best friend. Left, right shoulder. That's why you go like this. If you dance like this, people will want to go, man, count me in. 2 people sign up. Those 2 people sign up. You got 4. All those 4 get 2 people to sign up. There's 8. Then 8 goes to 16, 32, 64. Boy, by the time it gets down to the 7th or 8th level, just on 2 people that have 10 bucks a month, basically. That's it. Boy, by the time you go 7, 8 levels deep, and I believe it'll happen. That's why I love this company. Just hang in there for a year or 2. You ain't going anywhere. Come on, you know how many good videos and Netflix, and you got to see reruns on YouTube of The Brady Bunch, Gilligan's Island, The Fall Guy. You guys got other stuff to do besides Live Good. You got to watch TV, be honest. I know when you join a company that needs effort to post interesting things for people to click a link, I know that's work. But you know damn well there's some cool things that you need to watch on Netflix and Hulu and Paramount Plus and probably that darn Disney. Isn't it Disney Plus now? I don't know. I'm burned out of Disney. I actually don't even care about Disney anymore. I watched it for Mandalorian, and I think they're called Marvel movies. After that, everything else on Disney is pretty much free on YouTube if you pay that 10 bucks a month YouTube Red. Okay. Another video where I forget to promote Live Good. But if you like Honey Nut Cheerios in a Tupperware bowl, boy, I'm your guy. Okay, I got to get my shit together. My next video, I think I'm going to probably do a better job and talk about the Live Good experience. But it's Sunday. It's 85 degrees outside in Salt Lake City. I'm going to go work on my tan and produce one badass, fun car show. Do you guys want to see where I'm going real quick? Here's some advanced photos. Advanced Auto Parts. That's right, in Sandy, Utah. This is my radio voice. Come to Advanced Auto Parts, 700 East on the corner of 90th South. Custom cars and trucks and motorcycles. Here's a Nomad. Bring anything down from modern muscle to a scooter. You can hang out in front like these guys. Bring lawn chairs and bring some ice cold drinks and go in Advanced Auto Parts and look at crankshafts. Here's just a sample of some of the cars. Yesterday was massive, just tons of trucks everywhere. But these are a lot of fun. You meet the coolest people. I can't wait to go down. Okay, I did a radio promotion. I talked about Hot Wheels, and I taught you that if you dance like this, people will probably want to sign up in your group under Live Good. That's the best I can do, folks. And I'm wearing slippers. Walmart, $7. Don't go to Walmart for protein powder, but go to Walmart for slippers. Because if you do this in slippers, people will want to join LiveGood. It's weird. That's just disclaimer. That's just something that I've experienced. But the more that I jiggle while wearing slippers, people seem to want to join my group because it's fun. Okay, thank you very little, and I'll see you next video. Join Corey.com. I'm a promotion machine.